If your ECM multi-speed blower motor is ramping up and down even though your ducts are totally clear, you're probably scratching your head wondering what's up. Okay, so first thing, check if your control board is acting funky because sometimes it messes with the motor speeds even when everything else looks fine. Next, make sure the motor module isn't misprogrammed. Sometimes the settings get off, and it causes that annoying cycling. Also, look out for loose wiring or bad connections, since those can cause intermittent signals, making the blower do its own thing. Don't forget to verify the thermostat settings. If it's sending weird signals, the blower might respond by speeding up and slowing down. Keep an ear out for any buzzing or clicking noises, which might hint at electrical issues inside the control board. If you're comfortable, resetting the system by turning power off for a bit can sometimes clear glitches. Remember, it's not always the motor itself acting up. Often it's the brain controlling it that needs a tune-up or replacement. If you're stuck, calling a pro HVAC technician is worth it to avoid bigger headaches later. One of the biggest mistakes people make when troubleshooting ECM multi-speed blower motors is assuming the motor itself is broken, which leads to unnecessary replacements. Instead, test or replace the control board first, because it's often the culprit behind cycling behavior. Another common issue is ignoring programming errors in the motor module. Double-check those settings or reprogram it to stop random speed changes. Lastly, people overlook wiring problems. Loose or corroded connections can cause the blower to ramp up and down unexpectedly, so inspecting and tightening those can fix things fast. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners by connecting them with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. For contractors, it's a great way to find new clients and grow their business by showcasing their skills to people who actually need help.